Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. This patient attended due to reduced hearing, and as we can see when we look in here, we can see lots of skin debris, lots of little tiny bits of wax in there as well. So we're going to go in with a standard size Zollner tube, just going to grip on this skin, just getting the first grip. There we are, it's just starting to untangle. You've seen a few of these videos before. We're just starting to get this long strips of dead skin coming away that's been hanging around in the ear canal. So I'm just trying to wiggle it just to keep it feeding out of the canal. Just broken off the end there. So we're just going to use the crocodile forceps just to get a grip on this skin. There we are. So we're still working on the outer part of the ear canal at the moment because we've got this this long strip to get hold of. So you can see you're just feeding this continuous bit of skin. There we go. Just get to the end there. So let's get rid of that. So we can see the next section there has been brought forward. So you can see where it's just blocking all around the outside edge of the ear canal. So we're trying to get a good grip on this with the suction tube. There we go. And we've got the next piece of this ribbon-like skin. Just trying to keep as much of that so we get a nice firm grip with the suction tube. Slowly, gently pulling this out of the canal. Right, just see it feeding back out. We're getting a fair distance away from the canal now, so I'm going to have to switch and just see if we can get a grip on this with the crocodile forceps now. The difficulty with crocodile forceps is sometimes it can actually shear the little bit of skin that you're holding. It won't actually, it's more likely to break. So we're just gently pulling this, still feeding out. There we go. Just remember, this is just pure skin, it's just old skin debris. Yeah, you can see it's quite a long strip of skin. There we go. It's got a little bit more to come away. So this is the tail end of it. We can just see a little blue that you can see just down the ear canal. There's the eardrum itself. There we go, just taking away the debris. You can see there's a little piece of wax just stuck to the eardrum there. Just going to go in very gently, take that one little piece of wax away. Being very delicate. This is quite a sensitive part of the ear. There we go, that's disappeared. And there we are, nice shiny eardrum, all looks nice and healthy. Patient hearing much better. This is the two pieces of skin that we removed. The first section you can see here up to about 7 centimeters is the second piece we took out, and the remainder is the first piece. Little bits of wax in the bottom of the tank there. There we are. Well, as always guys, if you like the video then please like, share, subscribe, and obviously any comments leave them below. All the best, and as always, take care.